Okay, this is GR16, hosted in AUM using the MidiMixer app. Double click it to get the automation window down below. And our automation is looped. If you don't set it to loops, then you won't get your automation because of the way I did it here. So that's not saved with the presets. So you can see the panning moving, the faders moving. So when we turn off the loop, then it doesn't work, but once you press it, it goes back to looping again. And one maybe performance features, you could set the loop to whatever length you want, but it's universal. It's for all of the different things you can automate. So that's kind of one of the drawbacks of it right now. And then I labeled all of the different tracks in AUM. Makes it easier to navigate and know what you're doing. Let's look at GR16. You can see how we labeled all of the pads, all 16 pads in there. Then we can see how we map those to our outputs. We only used 8 outputs. So the first 3 are on the master. Those are the brilliant program and robot voices. Next 2 are think and kill. Next 3 are the synthesizer tracks. Then we have the kick on 4, 2 for the snare on 5, the clap on 6, the hi-hats on 7, and the cymbals on 8. Let's go over to the MIDI track here. So in addition, we also have these AUM files, and they're used to change presets. So we have 4 notes, and we have 3 of them for 3 different effects plugins that we're changing the presets on them. And then we have to use the stream binder because we remap them for the different channels. And we also have different speeds, so this one's 3/4. And it's mapped to 3, as we'll see in StreamBiter here. And so those are linked to the MIDI automation section of AUM, just the way the MidiMixer app is. So here's Eventide. So we go into automation, we go into the preset loading, and we had to save these 2 presets and map them to the notes on channel 3. Also match the ribbon controller, which you see I'm moving there. And here's another one that's also controlled by sequencing. So we can wait for it to change here. So there's Fanatsu there now. Once again, preset loading. And in this one, we can see these are the factory ones. Where some of them, you have to save them as a user, to be able to access them. Like in the Eventide one, we had to save the 2 presets as a user preset in AUM because it won't change. Okay. And then here's one where we mapped 2 different functions. And for the cymbals, using MidiMixer, we automated them. And we go to the hi-hats here, cymbals. And then if we go to channel 8, which is the one they're on. And then we go to the user presets, which are 20 and 21 by default. So you can see how they're starting with them. You can see how they're automated. And here's the other parameter which we automated. And then you can use the, let me zoom in, you can use the clipboard to select sections using the purple part at the top. Select whatever part you want to copy. And then you can copy and paste that same way. So you can see there's, cut, copy, paste. So that we don't have to kind of draw the whole thing, and that you can create a regular automation that way. Because once again, the loops are universal.